Hey guys, here today we're going to show you how to find a radio code for your radio on a Honda Civic. This is going to work for pretty much any Honda that asks you for your radio code. And the reason it would do that would be if you guys disconnected your battery, you've got a new battery, or maybe alternator, or maybe your battery just drained out. You can see this one when we try to turn the radio on here, it says code. And if you guys have lost your code, you're going to need a serial number on the radio in order to figure that out. So you guys don't have to pull the whole radio out. A quick, easy way to get your serial number is what you're going to do is you're going to press the 6 and the 1 at the same time. And then you're going to press the power button. Hold these two, 1 and 6, while you press the power button. And that's going to give you your serial number. So there's two sets of those. So this is the first set, 2424. Second set is 4959. After you guys get this radio code, what you're going to do is you're going to call the dealer, call your nearest Honda dealer, and ask them that you want the radio code for the radio and tell them you got the serial number. And once you give them the serial number, they'll give you the code specifically for your unit, and you punch that in there, and then you'll get the radio back up working again. So yeah, if you guys disconnect the battery or got a new battery and your car asks you for the radio code and you've lost the sticker on it, don't have the card anymore with the number, that's the easiest way to do it. Just punch in the number 1 and the number 6, hold those, press the power button, and it'll give you a serial number, and then they'll give you the radio code on that one. So yeah, don't freak out if you lost it. Nice and easy. Call them up and you'll get that going again. Okay, so we got the code on it. We called up the dealer and got the code number on there. They might ask you guys for your social security number, just because it's like a anti-theft thing and they want to make sure the wrong person's not getting it. So if they do, give it to them, no big issue. But once you do get it, you want to pop up in this code screen. If you're not there, turn it on, and once it pops up, the code for this one is 15132. So hit them in a row, 15132. Look at that, back to life. So yeah, if you guys are having issues with the code, follow this video, get the code from the dealer, put it in there, and you guys should be all good to go. Thank you guys for watching. Give us a thumbs up if it helped you out. Even if it didn't, give a thumbs up either way. Appreciate you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.